Hi there, this is our Ward, Haggas and Smith slotting machine. Really quite a big machine, sturdy, rigid, with lots of support, etc. And it's got some good features with it as well. It's got the slideway support here for the main up and down arm. It can be, the support can be positioned up and down depending on the work to get that support closer to it. It's got your main ram this way is actually powered, so you can power it out here using the motor. It's got a feed set up here that you can run feed individually to either the rotating table or the cross slide or your longitudinal travel. It's also got the degrees marked out here on the table with a pointer, and also a little indexing plate, or a plate full of holes around here, I suppose, where you'll have your known positions as well. You can run the feed system to either one of these three, or two, or all three. And got your motor here. Someone's made a Teflon or nylon bottom gear there, so it's quiet when it's running. It's got the brake here, neutral and 3 speeds as well for your main gearbox. So a neutral, a slow, medium and fast. And then for your arm coming out here, to power that up, you put this in the gearbox in neutral, and then it's got a lever here which has got a neutral, a one direction and the other direction movement. You can adjust the stroke through here, and also obviously you've got adjustments up there as well for your position. It runs really well. A couple of things that it needs is for your feed, which works up and down here. That's the action of it. It needs the key putting in. It hasn't got a key with it. And also needs a wee tumbling device just making here to push that gear around to click it over each time. The amount of feed is adjustable by moving these in or out. Alright, I'll power it up. It's got an inching facility. Someone's put a late model starter on it here. So it's got that inching facility there. And then completely running. And then the stop, brake. So we will take this arm out. So it's got a locking pin here. That was a neutral. And now I'm basically inching that out, otherwise I can run it on, and it's pushing this main arm that way. And then this is reverse. And now it's pushing this main arm towards me now. So that is that. We'll put it in a slow speed. That's it there, that's slow. Inching. And I'll start it. So that's running in its slow speed there. Ticks over really nice. Medium. And I'll put it into the fast, but not for too long, because this ground is a little bit uneven where I've got it on. That's it, running in fast. The table rotates really nicely, and the locks are these wing nuts here to connect the feed. That's your cross, and that's the longitudinal. there. And there, I've just locked both of them. So it does need a wee keyway and a wee toggle making up there. And the other thing is the supports here that you can move up and down to make it more rigid. Initially they've got a wee gear here, an Acme thread, and would have come out originally with some sort of a system here for moving that up and down easily, and that's missing that little bit of a system there. So someone may choose to get that going again, or obviously you can make that adjustment from just here as well. So it is a truly solid machine, probably bigger than it looks, and everything on it's ticking over really nicely.